We at Tinnels. Easily the worst customer service for these guys.
Extra kiss teeth.
By far.
So we got spicy beef, regular beef, veggie, chicken.
Oh, this is nice and hot too. Had Tinnels before. Tinnels patties is better than certain places. Man's ranked top 3 if I'm gonna be real. In some places the man's like gassing up. They're not even better than Tinnels. I'm gonna put this patty in a bacas real quick. Sauce would say. And squeeze that, no?
Yeah, let's see the.
Woo! It's not bad.
Look at that gap. There should be no gaps. I need filling like this.
That's a lot of Gap, a lot of Old Navy,
Yeah,
a lot of
it's-
Abercrombie.
I'm not gonna lie.
I could play the flute in there. It's airy
As long
for
as
years.
it's flaky, I'm blessed, fam.
It pay-
7? The last time I came here, I said it needed lotion. Definitely still need a skincare treatment.
Wait, but this is Ashley too?
Yeah, Ashley, bro.
But yours has eczema though.
Need to call Patrick Taw. Let me see if Tinnels got